Why I thought the workshop would help solve the problems, the challenges I had, no systemised way to actually speak to clients about planning, was I'd seen some rave reviews. There were some people already on board, some accountants who were using it, whose opinion I trust, who were actually doing amazing things with it. And I wanted to do amazing things with it as well. And also I think being on the workshop with Ainsley and Steve, who've been there, done that, got the t-shirt, understand what the problems are, understand how to actually put it forward, and understand the system and process to achieve the results, I think was invaluable.
I think the main thing was almost my own mindset and taking a bit of my own medicine. I often say to a client, something has to change to make something change. Well, I've been trying to do advisory my own way, and whilst it's been successful, not as successful as I would like, I kind of knew it would show me a new way, a different way. You're going to find out by actually getting in there and trying it. And this was a great way, as I say, a bit of a no-brainer to take the course so I can actually see what clarity was all about and kind of get our hands dirty, as it were.
We'd heard a lot in the industry, a lot of industry leaders in the accounting space were already talking about clarity and banging on about how great it was. So we kind of, we wanted a piece of that. We wanted to sort of see what all the fuss was about. And that's why we thought the workshop would be perfect to see it all in action.
People need to see it, they need to understand it and actually be taken through it. And the other thing I think which really benefits is it wasn't free. And something that either Steve Pipe or Paul Dunn have always said is people do not value that which they get for free. So it was very low price, it was very affordable, but it actually made people go.